spicy chicken. Natin yung ating chicken into bite size. So we need salt, cooking wine. Oh wow. Because it's honey garlic, we need garlic powder. Ground pepper. I'm using white pepper. You can also add some seasoning if you like. And then we're gonna give it a good mix. Give it a good mix. And we're gonna leave it for around 10 minutes to marinate. There we go. 10 minutes later, ready na yung ating chicken. So, i-fry lang natin siya hanggang matuyo. Maganda yung alcohol ng chicken. Bango. Hanggang natin. Ano ba? So by the way, ang ginamit natin chicken is chicken thigh. Walang buto para mas mabilis kainin. So mas magandang gamitin yung chicken thigh kasi medyo may taba-taba kasi sa chicken breast. But if you like, you can use the chicken breast. So a little healthier. Diba? Medyo na dry na siya. We can add our garlic. We're gonna use this honey garlic marinade. We're gonna add the honey garlic marinade sa ating chicken. And some honey. You can use sugar. So maraming garlic, maraming honey. Kaya mga honey garlic, diba? Patay lang natin sandali. I-prito natin. So ito na yung ating chicken. After ng mga 5 minutes. So antayin natin hanggang sa mawala ng sauce. Ang ganang kulay, no? Iba naman yung garlic, yung honey. And then later, babawasan natin yung oil kung na-fry na siya. Sobrang oily. Kaya masarap yan sa kanin, di ba? Pero oil eh. Hindi pwede. Okay, and we'll be back. Ito na siya. By this time, kita nyo, oil na lang yung lumilitaw. So, babawasan natin yung oil. Natuloy na yung ating chicken, no? Bawasan lang natin yung ating oil. So, nabawasan na natin ang oil. Wala na oil. Nabawasan na natin. And then, final touch. I have chilies here, red and green chilies. You can add more chilies if you like it a little spicy. And there you have it. Ang ating homemade honey garlic spicy chicken. There you go. Kain na tayo. And of course, masarap siya with steamed rice. Let's see. Ayaw ko sumama ng rice. Sakto lang yung anghang niya. If you wanted a little more spicy, you can add more chilies. Ano ba yan? Kakain na tayo. Huwag niyo na guys, oh. Mmm.